you doing? You want to sit on my lap? Okay, can you help me? Ready? Okay, guys, you guys do the solfege. Can you do the hand signs with me? Oh, no, we're just going to say it. We're going to go like this. Because guess what? Remember what it is? So, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi. Okay, should we do the hand signs with it? Do you guys remember what they are? We forgot our workbooks. Oh, do you have yours? Like this. Remember? So.
You can borrow.
So, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi. Good job. Like that, yes.
You can borrow.
Okay. Am I borrowing yours? Thank you so much. Okay. We're going to look on page 15. Okay. Where's page 15? This one? Look at that. That's what we're singing. Can you guys come point to that? Okay, you know what we're going to do? Miles, where are you? Come here. Wait, I have something for you. Come here. Here you go. We're going to play seesaw with sticks. Look. Miles, do you want sticks? We're going to play seesaw. Okay? Okay, hold them up. Hold them up. Ready? Okay. Seesaw, up and down, in the sky and on the ground. You guys are awesome. Okay, can you guys follow me? Hold them like this. Ready? Let's do it again. Ready? Seesaw, up and down, in the sky and on the ground. You guys did awesome. And you finished with me. Good job. Good job, Miles. Thank you. Thank you for giving back the sticks. Good job. Matthew. Give it back to Stacy. Oh, wow. Thank you. You got more. Okay, come here. We're going to do Grandma Moses. Can you guys help me do Grandma Moses? Okay, ready? You want to help me, Miles? Ready? Grandma Moses sick in bed. She called the doctor and the doctor said, Grandma Moses, you're not sick. All you need is a peppermint stick. Shaky, shake, 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 shaky, shake, 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 shake. Good job. Good job, you guys. Okay. Let's see. You guys were here last week, so yes. You got those. So guess what? Guess what you guys get today? Come here, Miles. Come sit by your mom. We're going to do a fun song with a fun instrument. Okay, and since I gave you guys your bells last time, you can... Did I see Hiram's bells?
Yes. Oh, I'm going to grab this one more.
Okay. They can use their bells. Oh, you brought them?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Just
Hold on.
Guess what this is? These are your bells. Okay?
Oh, just in time for Christmas.
Look at that.
Too.
So guess what we're going to sing today?
Oh, look, Miles, let me show you how to do it.
Come here, bud. We're going to sing a song.
Here, let me show you how to put them on your hand.
I'm going to use this. Oh, actually, I have that. Okay, ready, guys?
How to put them on your hand.
Okay.
Put it on like that. Hold it.
Ready? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Can you guys shake with me? Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Good job. Okay, careful. Okay, come here. Take your bells. Can you set your bells behind you? Come here. Matthew, come here. How does that ball keep you here?
Matthew,
Get your balls.
Stacy would like the ball.
Thank you.
Get your ball. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, bring your balls over.
Okay, we're going to sing it one more time. Which are these? Come here, Matthew. Grab your bell. Which ones are yours? Are these yours?
Right? Those are yours right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mine.
These are
Okay.
mine too.
Okay, ready? We're going to do it without. We're going to do this part. Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. O'er broad fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring. Get ready, making spirits bright. Wait, over here. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey! Good job. Okay, and you guys get these are your bells. You can take these home. Awesome. Stay in here. I miss you when you leave. Okay, but guess what we're gonna do? See, Miles, come help me. Come here. Come help me play the bells.
I want to.
Hand me your bells.
Okay, here, go sit by your mom. Go sit by your mom. You know what? We're gonna do the funnest song in the other room. We're gonna go and just wait. Come help me. Come here. Here, you wanna help me? Okay, ready? Hold on just a sec. Hey, can you guys say it while we play it? Ready? Okay, ready? Do. Hold on, sorry. Okay, ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, can you guys do the hand signs? The solfege? Try and do it with this hand. Okay, ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You guys were awesome. Okay, can you go give it to Eli? Good job, buddy. You gonna help? Thank you. Okay, ready, Eli? Right here. Okay, ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You guys are awesome at that. Okay, Matthew's turn. Okay, ready? Can you do the signs with me?
There's two.
Okay, Matthew, your turn. No, down there. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You guys are awesome. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay. Guess what? We're going to go into the other room and on high-stepping horses. Ready? High-stepping horses, high-stepping horses, high-stepping horses, go diggity, diggity, da. Diggity, diggity, da. High-stepping horses, hey, someone said it. High-stepping horses, go diggity, diggity, da. Oh, diggity, diggity, da. Gotta get to that. Almost. We're almost singing this song. Wow. You holding him? Sorry, you guys. I gotta grab the camera. Okay, can you guys come sit on your mom's laps because we're going to sing a book. Come sit down in front.
See this?
Okay, you guys ready? Look, can you sit on your mom's lap? I will look at that right after. That's an awesome book. Come here. Come on. Okay, ready? Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my be your puppet, Miles? Do you want to hold this for me?
I
Do you want to
will.
hold this one? Okay. Guess what? We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance to a song. Do you have your I will give you guys a stick for your Humpty Dumpty. Remind me at the end, okay? Come here, we're gonna dance. Can you guys stand up? We're gonna listen to the song and do the actions to the song, okay? Come here, guys. Come stand in the circle. Hiram. Come here. You guys ready?
Miles, you're gonna miss the dance.
Oh, too loud. You guys ready? Here we go. Here we dance Scooby-Doo. Here we dance Scooby Light. Here we dance Scooby. Are you ready? Come here. All on a Saturday night. Listen. I put my right hand. Sorry. I put my right hand out. I give my right hand a shake, 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 and turn myself about. Here we dance Scooby. Want me to circle to the right? Here we dance Scooby Light. Here we dance Scooby Loo. You ready? Listen. I put my left hand in. I put my left hand out. I give my left hand a shake, 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 and turn myself about. Here we dance. Let's go to the left this time. Here we dance Scooby Light. Here we dance Scooby Loo. Oh, you listen. Saturday night. I put my right foot in. I put my right foot out. I give my right foot a shake, 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 and turn myself about. Should we go to the right? Scooby Loo. Here we dance Scooby Light. Here we dance Scooby Loo. All on a Saturday night. I put my left foot in. I put my left foot out. I give my left foot a shake, 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 and turn myself about. So the left Scooby Loo. Here we dance Scooby Light. Here we dance Scooby Loo. All on a Saturday night. I put my whole self in. I put my whole self out. I give myself a shake, 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 and turn myself about. Oh, good job. Very fun. Hey, guess what it's time for? Hiram. Guess what it's time for? We haven't done this one in a long time, huh? Oh boy. Sorry, guys. Keep pushing the button. Here we dance Scooby-Doo. Here. What's it time for? Okay. Hey, guys, wait. Okay, get off the color. Ready? This color is red, red, red. 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 This color is blue, blue, blue. 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 This color is yellow, yellow, yellow. 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 Good job, you guys. Wow, we're doing a lot of dancing today. You guys are awesome, because guess what we're doing next? Dancing some more. Okay, we're going to do the March of the Tory.